How to link bank account to Cash App. If you want to link your bank account on your Cash App account, first thing you do is open up your Cash App and just make sure that you're logged in. Then after that, you are going to have to head over to your account by tapping on the profile icon at the top right corner. After this, you will land on your account page, and right below account settings, you have an option to link your banks. So tap on this linked banks option. And if you already have any existing banks that are linked to your account, you will see that up above. And if you want to link a new bank, tap on the link bank option. Then from here, you will be taken to another page where you're going to have to continue with this process. And now here you will find all of the popular banks that you can connect. But if you don't find your bank on this list, you could just go ahead and search for it on the search bar. And once you find your bank, you can just go ahead and tap on it to link with it. You're going to have to accept all of these terms and conditions here and just log into the bank with your username on your online banking. After doing this, you could just continue with the process, choose which account you want to share data from, and then keep tapping continue and authorize it. And finally, your bank will be linked with your Cash App. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.